Sibilla Paparatti and I'm a motion production manager at Weta Digital in Wellington, New Zealand. Cinema and me. I've always loved going to the movies since I was a little kid, and so when it was time to choose my career path and what I was supposed to study at university, because that's what you do, I decided to study film and film studies. It was just an easy option for me. I knew I didn't want it to be in front of the camera, so this is the first time, and I wanted to be behind the camera, so not necessarily making movies, but work with movies. So when I finished my degree in film studies, I moved to New Zealand because I had a Kiwi boyfriend, and with my film degree I ended up working for a film festival over here. And I also ended up teaching at university. I ended up doing a course, well, no, it wasn't really a course, it was more like a seminar here at university on Italian neorealism cinema. But mainly I was involved with the organization of film festivals here in New Zealand as well as in other countries, in the States and in Italy and Germany. And I did that for about 12, 13 years. And then I moved to what I'm doing now. We have a budget, we have a time frame, we have a schedule, and I just need to deliver the product in time and budget. So you need to be organized, you need to be able to manage, your crew. Your team is, it's anything between, 5 people like in a film festival or, 50, 80 people that I'm dealing with now in my current job. I find this super interesting because although I'm not personally making film, I'm helping my crew to make the film, and I have also a bunch of Italian colleagues, and it's always quite fun to kind of meet and speak Italian, and you keep kind of, the Italian vibe going in the office, and that's always very fun to be able to speak Italian and to keep that side of your life when you're in New Zealand.